Here is a quick tutorial of how to connect your Philips Hue Dimmer Switch to a Philips Hue light bulb without the use of the hub. So we'll install the light bulb and power it. And we'll remove the Hue switch from the base. Pull out the plastic tab sticking out to allow contact with the battery. And on the back there is a setup button, which, just in case if the Hue switch was paired to a different light, we'll press with a small pin or a paper clip until the switch starts blinking, and then release it. Now we'll press and hold the on button until the light bulb starts blinking, then release. Do not press any of the other buttons to avoid cancelling the setup. And the switch is all set up. You can repeat the same operation by replacing the light bulb to another one and then set up the other one. The switch will remember up to 10 light bulbs.